It took quite a long while for Jewel to really get to know Rocket. In the beginning, there were definitely some growing pains between them. Rocket was young and full of energy, and sometimes he would play just a little bit too rough for comfort. Jewel, being the proud boss of the house, wasted no time setting his boundaries.
Oh no, be nice. Look, he's Rocket. Give him a kiss. Hey, be nice. Be nice.
Be nice.
No, don't be jealous. Rocket.
He would lean in and give Rocket a quick, sharp nip right on the nose. That would make the poor pup let out a startled little yelp. Then, Jewel would fly away to a high perch, letting out a tiny snicker as if he was quite proud of himself. Slowly but surely, things started to change for the better. Day by day, they kept getting closer and closer. They went from staying on opposite sides of the living room to standing right next to each other, nose to beak. Once they finally figured out how to play together, they were honestly quite a handful.
Give me a kiss. Oh, thank you. I love you.
Jewel even managed to let go of that little bit of jealousy he had been carrying around. You see, he had always been the main bird of the house, the true center of attention, but he eventually realized that life was much more fun with a brother.
People are calling out Itati Lopez.
If you're anything like me, your favorite compliment is to get them to smell good. And when I tell you,
They even started drinking from the very same water bowl, as if there had never been any other option for them. It was a sweet sight to see. Sometimes Rocket would wait patiently for Jewel to finish his drink, and other times, Jewel would kindly step aside to give way to his furry friend. But most importantly, they played. It was through those happy moments of play that their friendship became truly strong and deep. Fetch became their favorite daily ritual. Rocket would grab the ball and rush forward, his paws kicking up dirt as he raced across the yard. Jewel would soar into the air, flying right alongside him like an arrow shot from a bow.
Ready? Go get it.
Of course, it was not always perfect. Sometimes Rocket would get a little carried away and could accidentally bump Jewel with a heavy paw. There were moments when it looked like their friendship might falter. Rocket would yelp and Jewel would freeze. But instead of holding any resentment, there was always immediate forgiveness. Instead of a breakup, there were just new games to discover.
Oh.
They truly have a beautiful bond. Rocket tries to push his luck sometimes, but you can tell they have a real sibling connection. It is a heartwarming reminder that love knows no limit. It is quite clear that these two were meant for each other, sharing a kind of magic that makes everyone around them smile. Everything they do is filled with pure joy. They find happiness in the simplest moments spent together every single day. Seeing such different animals become family is truly inspiring. If you are considering adopting a special pet, do your research first. Understand their unique emotional needs to ensure you are ready. Please like and share this video and subscribe for more heartwarming stories like this one.
Ready? Go get it.
Wish Pause is built on real connections and honest moments, always sourced responsibly and credited with respect. Through thoughtful editing, moving music, and genuine visuals, we strive to make every story breathe. Your support inspires us. We look forward to bringing you our next meaningful narrative.